Look at this new 2012 Ram 2500. For your protection, this vehicle has a full factory warranty. This 2500 boasts a 6.7-liter inline-six engine, and has a 6-speed automatic transmission. Additional options for this vehicle include the Protection Group, Cold Weather Group, HD Snowplow Prep Group, 4.10 axle ratio, anti-spin rear axle, dark slate interior, leather-trimmed bucket seats, power trailer tow mirrors, power sunroof, clearance lamps, Mopar chrome tubular side steps, park center rear park assist system, power adjustable pedals with memory, remote start system and the rear seat video system. Call 877-331-8023 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.